Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Bobcat S76 R Series rubber tired skid steer loader. This machine has just 1,631 hours on it. This is a part of a package of machines that I purchased at a Bobcat lease program. The machine is 100% all original. Nothing has been touched up, painted, anything of that nature. It is cab, heat, air, deluxe dash, power quick attach. It does have 7-pin attachment control device on this machine, LED light package. Machine does have new Bobcat 12/16/5 heavy duty tires on it. The machine has been fully serviced through our shop. And when we say through our shop, we mean every single filter and oil has been changed. Mechanically, the machine is 100%. We aren't out buying auction machines and patching stuff up. That's not our thing. There's plenty enough guys out there doing that in today's market. So again, very clean, very straight machine. This machine has emissions warranty on it, which you got to remember, these are a 74 horsepower machine. You know, we got guys telling people that these motors have DPFs on them, and that's not true whatsoever. This has like what's called a DOX catalyst muffler on it. Basically does not inject any type of fuel into it, but Bobcat still has what is called an emissions warranty on these. It covers the injectors, the turbo, the EGR valve. These do have an EGR valve on them until 6/28 of 2027. But we don't see problems with these motors. There's guys out there that say that they do. They're the same customer that has 40 codes in their machine for water and fuel. There's a lot to be said about that. If you maintenance your machine, you run a good fuel additive, you will never have problems with these engines. But we got people there, again, that just service isn't on the top of their list. So again, very clean, straight machine. We're going to start you back here at the engine bay. We're going to take you completely around this machine. Back door is very, very nice and straight. It is very clean. There are a couple scuffs on it, nothing major whatsoever, a couple scratches. We did not repaint this back door. I wanted to let this machine a fully original machine. Under the hood, we're going to go ahead and lift this up. They have a little hood prop here that's going to come up. On the R's, these will actually come up, and we can get to whatever we want there on that motor. So these are an inline engine now. You know, at first I didn't know what to think. We always were used to the engine being sideways in a Bobcat. The more we work on these, the more we do like it. A lot of access there, a lot less stuff to take off. So we have done a complete and full service. Again, the main primary fuel filter, the secondary, the charge fan filter, the engine oil, the air, cabin filters. Underneath the cab, there's actually 2 filters underneath there, hydraulic and what's called a Xtreme return. That has all been changed and done. That's how we like to sell our stuff. A lot of people don't, but that's what we do, okay? So we're going to go ahead and latch that. It is nice on these. You can open that up. Easy to clean out, easy to keep clean. In the door, your AC condenser's back here. Backup alarm is also in the back. Coming around, you can see both sides match up on the machine. Down here in this chain case area is extremely, extremely clean. Both sides, not skin up, busted up, anything like that. Very, very straight, very clean. Again, 12/16/5 tires, OEM Bobcat, all 4 match. Top of the cab is nice straight. It's not bent. The brow is not bent down in. LED lights all work. Cab door is complete. It is coming with a CID 74-inch heavy-duty bucket with the bolt-on side cutters. This is not a cheap bucket. This is a very good heavy-duty bucket. This bucket is about $1,500. I'm not putting an auction bucket on like a lot of guys. We got our auxiliary hydraulics here, 1/2-inch couplers with 3/8 K-strain. 7-pin attachment control device is here and in place. Lock that. We had an attachment hooked up to this. Power bob attach. Again, cab door is nice and complete. I'm going to head in here. Please bear with us for the next couple of days. Landon is helping us here doing videos. If you have questions about something, call him or I. So this is a keyless machine. And I did misspeak, it's 1,633 hours. We did the service at 1,630. So here you're going to have your soft keys. Down here you're going to have your other control keys. So one thing we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead We're going to show you, you can put a backup camera in this. It is pre-wired for it. Here's your vitals. Machine is operating at peak performance. We don't have any error codes. Service stuff, I need to reset that, but that'll show 500 hours. I will take care of that. You can go in here and change some different display settings. This is your push to operate button, power Bobcat. On this machine we do have the dual auto level. This does have a beacon light on the roof. Foot controls, heater vents. Up top here you're going to have your HVAC controls. Sorry. HVAC controls are there. It does have the fire extinguisher. 2,900 pound of lift. Again, this is a 74 horsepower machine. So again, there's no DEF fluid, there's no additives, anything like that you have to put in as far as anything again with the emissions. I strongly suggest anybody out there to run a good fuel conditioner. Other than that, these are a very good heavy duty machine. I'm going to fire this machine up, I'm going to run it around, sure it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, I have owned probably close to 50 of these now. I think they're a good machine. I like them. A lot of things that they've changed has been things that have been the good things in my opinion. I think underneath the cab, a lot easier to work on with a lot of things. One big thing is the cab itself is now pressurized. So that makes a huge difference in keeping the interior of the cab clean. Also, in the wintertime, keeps you a lot warmer. Summertime keeps you a lot cooler. One works. The boom is very good and tight in this loader. It is not slopping around. Obviously, we're on a hard surface here that's been frozen for the last couple of days. We're just heading back into better weather now. We're going to have a week here almost in the 50s here in Pennsylvania. So again, if you're looking for a nice running working machine, I do have several of these available, all in very, very good hours. This is one of the lower hour ones I have at the moment ready. We will have more coming up. They are all going to be like this, very nice clean units. All of them will be serviced, ready to go to work. Again, this is a 29-pound lift capacity skid loader. It is a vertical lift path machine. If you're looking for a machine here for winter, plowing snow in your parking lot or whatever you may be doing, you just need a big workhorse to put on your parking lot or at your business even, to run pallet forks on it or whatever the case may be. Here is a machine to take a look at. Again, it is extremely clean. Guys, this is why we take time to do these videos, to show the truth about a machine, show what it really is and what it's about. Not many people take the time to do what we do. Bobcat does have a true power quick attach, which is very, very, very nice. It's not some electric over hydraulic actuator deal. It actually has a true power Bobcat cylinder that actually is run by hydraulic charge pressure, which is awesome. Always look up and make sure those wedges that fell down in their proper pin-out holes. That way you know that they are latched. We don't want to see somebody ever out there get a false latch. So guys, there it is. Very good running working machine. You can see throttles right back up. So So again, our cab door is complete. There has been a full service done. There is a complete book for this machine. Again, it is serviced. It is ready to go to work. It is an original machine. All the glasses in the cab. Again, the door is complete. When you start calculating the cost of a lot of that stuff, it all adds up very, very fast. Just to do a service alone, you're $1,100, $1,200. Just in filters, oil, and labor. There's no doubt about it. And anybody says that I'm wrong, then you're not buying OEM Bobcat product to do what you need to do. So again, that machine is ready to go to work. There's no oil leaks. It will go to work today, and it is 100% as we advertise it. There's nothing here to hide. We represent equipment the way it's supposed to be done. That's why we're taking the time to priority make, where we at, Landon? 12 and a half, 13 minutes? So it takes time to do that, and I think anybody who is a true good business person is going to do this. It's helpful for a customer when you're shipping a machine out. So, guys, got any questions? 814-658-3066. If you got any questions, let us know. Ask for Landon or Nick. We're glad to help you out and get you started on the right adventure. So, any questions? 814-658-3066. Need a shipping quote? Let us know. I'll be glad to help you. Again, as always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.